Hello guys, I am here with a new video. Are you listening everywhere Pop It and want known what is Pop It? In this video we are telling actually what is Pop It.
3, 2, 1.
Pop It, a fidget toy actually used in primary school playground for education and famous fidget toy on TikTok. The Pop It is a good anxiety stress reliever to calm anxious behavior. It is not only for children, can be help adult. In fact, one study found that fidget toy can help relieve pre-surgery anxiety in adults patients. It is made of silicone plastic and in many color. This was in rainbow color. Pop It is in many shapes, color, and design. There was counting and alphabet on it. It is in rainbow color and in ice cream shape. ID is in different sizes and bubble in it have 27 bubbles in it. It is in 4 to 5 color combination and it is in apple shape and many colors. It is the product of China and now available in Pakistan on Daraz app. It was available in different sizes as this Pop It is biggest among us Pop It. This was alphabet Pop It in rainbow color and helpful for playgroup kids. It was in counting and in multiple colors and informative for kids in Montessori class. It was in large size and suitable for girls of all ages. I said Pop It have different size, so it was in small size too and with multiple of color combinations. There was keychain of Pop It toe available in Pakistan. How to play Pop It? It was very easy way, only we have to pop the bubbles. It has to surfaces means to sides with bubbles. First side too easy to pop, but another side it was quite hard to pop. It was in heart shape and have 27 bubbles. It is in dragon shape and have 20 bubbles and it was in rainbow colors.